off we go.
To those of you sitting on board the raft on the lift, please remain seated with your seatbelts buckled.
That's not us right now.
I think we're the only two people on the attraction anywhere right now, which is amazing.
I can already see where we're going to get wet.
Yeah, it's coming. The downside of this too is we have gravity not on our side, so you're about to see Mr. Daps get totally drenched as we spin down the attraction into the rapids. Here it comes. This is just a little beat.
Oh, alright.
Okay, so far so good. Okay, here comes the rapids. And the rattlesnake. That one can be a problem. Oh, there's a hole.
Maybe the trick is not to look?
Oh, is that?
I think he was trying to warn us.
Maybe. Oh, that's cool. That was fun. Oh.
Not too bad so far.
Don't say that! I got a little bit. There's a little more. Oh! That one got me.
Me too. I think you a little more.
That one like went up under my hat. Bear beats Battlestar Galactica.
Oh my.
That one counted.
There's pretty much nothing you can do when like the wave is just.
You can just see it coming. Like this.
We're like going in the dark. Oh my.
What's that?
The Yeti.
Is that what was it?
Big time.
Oh, it's Big Bike. I'm showing my Knott's ignorance here. Whoa. Wow, that was fun. That looks cool.
Ooh.
If you had the camera just right, that would be the perfect shot. That is fun. I actually did expect to get a little bit wetter. I thought it was going to be. I mean, we have one more round, so we'll see how that turns out. But I mean, you know, it only went up the back of my head, into the hat, and then down my coat. So that's good.
Fancy socks.
And the good thing is we're only here for another 3 hours this evening.
That's all.
It'll be great. So what do you think of the ride?
I liked it.
I'm hoping they can hear us. I don't even know. We didn't ask if they were that much, but I liked it too. This would be perfect on a summer day. Summer's coming, so that's great.
Scenery was good. I liked all the animals.
The animals were fun. My favorite part was the guy shooting across the way and laughing maniacally. Made me think of the Muppets a little bit. That was good. Yeah. I suddenly had this thought, I'm like, are we about to drop really big? But no, we're just going in the loading queue. Good job, Knott. Very enjoyable. I would go on this again.
Yeah.
Maybe without a hat and a bow tie. You know what? I'm going to go on it again because I liked it that much, and I don't have a choice.
Here we go.
Off we go. Yeah. Are you recording?
Yep.
All right, cool. So maybe your audio will pick it up too.
That's something with the case, sometimes it's hard.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh yeah, that thing.
Just let you do this.
I mean, what's nice is that the
Yeah.
So. That I'm not worried about.
Oh no. We're at a different angle this time. And here it goes again.
Oh no. Yeah, we're in four different.
Oh, here comes that dude again. And that. He's my favorite. Yes.
I did video and photos. So.
Beautiful. Is that a kitten?
I don't know. I just get like.
Yeah. Oh no. I think it's scarier the second time. You're like, what am I gonna
kind of know what this is.
But we don't. We don't know it that well. There you go. There's where the fox is gonna be, right there.
All right.
See the fox and the chicken.
In the water.
Oh, and a canoe. We can go canoeing later. Oh, this is faster this time too. Oh, this is where it got bad, I think. Get the bear! I'm trying. I'm gonna laugh. Oh, this is it.
Oh god.
Wait, it was better this time. Oh, and there's... That's
Okay,
cool.
yeah.
I didn't see that the first time.
Yeah.
Wildcat. Here's all the TNT. This is always a good idea. Yes! That was a good one. I feel like we're coming out, I shouldn't say this, but we're coming out better this time.
Oh, that one went up my pants this time.
Oh, I'm coming out better this time.
Yeah. Oh. I mean, it's fine. Like I said, I'm right. Whoa! Okay.
There he is. Oh, I got me. That was cool. I thought that one was going to get us massive. Yeah, so I'm Mr. Daps, and I'm here with Murray the Bellhop, and we've just gone on Calico River Rapids twice. Maybe you've seen this whole thing now. You've watched all the way through. If you have, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also subscribe to DapsMagic.com so you can see all of the photos and the write-ups for this, along with some other things that we've got coming up in the coming weeks that are going to be ridiculously awesome. We're just going to go really far away, and it's going to be amazing. And we hope you've enjoyed our ride through of Calico River Rapids, and we're going to go find a tower.